Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Walt Disney World pre-trip haul. I cannot believe I'm saying that. If you're new around here, hello, my name's Mackenzie. I'm heading to Disney World in just like 2 weeks now with my family for a really special, really fun Disney World trip. Going with some of my extended family too. There's a group of 7 of us going and I get so happy every time I talk about it. You're gonna see my mouth is already hurting from smiling so much and I'm really excited to take you guys along on that trip. But before we get to the trip, we gotta do the pre-trip haul and we have a lot more prep work coming before the trip, so be sure to subscribe down below because all that's coming soon. But today is the pre-trip haul and I like doing a pre-trip haul before a longer Disney World trip. This trip that we're going on is 7 days, so I feel like it's the perfect time to do this. And I really just want to show you guys a couple of the things that I picked up for my Disney World trip. When it's a little bit of a longer trip, I feel like I have more time to accumulate things and just figure out what I want for this trip. I don't have too much stuff because I do reuse a lot of my Disney World items on multiple trips, so a lot of it you've already seen before, so I'm not showing you any of that. But this is all the new, all the stuff that I got specifically for this trip or things I needed for this trip. So with that being said, sit back, relax, let's just get into the pre-trip haul. I am so excited. We're gonna start with something that I don't actually have with me in person, and that is an air tag. I'll pop a little picture if you don't know what an air tag looks like. The reason I don't have this is because my sister actually picked up a set of 4 and we just have to like divvy them up at Thanksgiving whenever we see each other before the trip. But I wanted to get an air tag because this is our first trip that we're both going to be checking bags to Disney World, and I'm just a little bit nervous. And one of my really good friends, Katie Brown, in one of her vlogs one time, she was like tracking her suitcase while she was on the flight and she could see it underneath her, and I just kind of want that peace of mind for myself. I know it's not going to like prevent from the luggage getting lost or from something happening, but I do think it would be really just like calming to know that the suitcase was underneath me when I'm on the plane, and if it's not for some reason, hopefully that doesn't happen, at least I'll have a general idea of where it is and like how soon it will get back to me. We'll see. I just think it's going to give me a little bit of peace of mind, and I thought that was a really great tip from Katie that I definitely needed to use since this is our first time checking a bag. So first thing, like I said, I didn't have it here because my sister has them. We got them from Best Buy and they came in either 1 or 4, so we were like, let's just get 4. It ended up working out as a better deal anyway. So air tags, first thing I picked up for this Disney World trip. So exciting, I know. Okay, next thing, a little bit more of a Disney thing that's super fun. I picked up this Magic Band puck holder from Amazon. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below, by the way, if you're interested. But I got this for the Magic Band Plus Magic Band because I did upgrade to the Magic Band Plus for this trip, which is really exciting. So this is the Magic Band I picked up. I showed it to you guys in my 60 days until Disney video, but I'm someone that I wear my Apple Watch the entire time I'm at Disney. I like to know the times to get to my next multi-pass, book my next multi-pass, virtual queue drops, and I also like tracking my steps because you are walking a lot at Disney, but I don't like to have an Apple Watch on and a bulky Magic Band Plus on one hand, so I like to use the puck. I used it with the older version of Magic Band and it worked great, but I did have to get a bigger size for the Magic Band Plus. So basically you can just take this little center puck out, the thing that lights up, the thing that taps you into all of your lightning lanes and stuff, multi-pass, whatever it's called now, and you can put it into this puck and then slide it onto your Apple Watch. I just love this. I think it works really well. I think it just allows me to always have my Magic Band with me on my watch so I'm not forgetting 2 different bands. It just works great for me and it's something I will probably always do. I will say to get the puck out, you have to have a special screwdriver, and the place that I bought my puck from, it's the same store I got my first one from, and I got a screwdriver from there, so make sure you get the right kind or else it's going to be very difficult to get out of here. But I love that. I can't wait to open it up and put it on my Apple Watch. I tend to do that a couple of days before just so I don't lose it because this little puck is very, very small. Next thing, now I know I just made a what's in my toiletry bag for Disney video and talked about how I don't need any more bags, and here we are. I bought another bag. However, in my defense, I have been looking at the Vera Bradley Disney patterns for a while, and I got alerted that what I was looking at was on like really good sale, so I had to get it. So I got this. It's a medium essential cosmetic bag from Vera Bradley. The pattern just has a bunch of little Mickey and Minnies on it. I think this is so cute. And I really was looking for a bag about this size that I could put my Disney accessories in. Like my Mickey claw clips, my new emos, just things that I use to accessorize at Disney. I wanted to have it in a certain spot. That way it's not in random spots in all my different bags that I'm packing in. And I can put this on the counter and reach for it as I need to accessorize my outfits for Disney. So I'm really impressed with this bag. It's originally like $25. I got it for like $10. $2.25, which is just a steal, and it's huge on the inside. I think it's gonna be perfect to fit all of my little Disney accessories. And kind of along those same lines, I mentioned in my what's in my toiletry bag video, I got a new toiletry bag from Target, and some of you guys have even said that you bought that toiletry bag and were so impressed with how much it holds. So kind of along those same lines, I got the electronics pouch to match it. I talked about it a little bit in that video, but I've been using it because I've been bringing my camera a couple different places. It is the perfect electronics pouch. I love that it has a zipper. That's where I keep my hard drive and like important things. Have some camera accessories in here, and it just feels nice and compact. Anything that I want to put in this front pocket that I can see, I think is great, so I can like double check it before I'm going out the door, like, do I have this? Yes, okay. So I really like this bag, and I love the toiletry bag to match. Super easy and really condenses everything that I need as far as electronics goes. Love that. I think that's all the kind of little travel things out of the way now. Let's move into accessories, clothes, the fun stuff. First thing I want to show you guys is actually something I did not buy myself, but my friend Katie got for me for my birthday. It is this Dale Nuimo. I have decided that Dale is my favorite character to meet at the Disney parks. Him and his little buck teeth, I just think he's so cute. I love him. So I was not a Nuimo girl until the last trip where I got this Nuimo, my first Nuimo, which was Stitch. So now I have two. I have a Stitch and a Dale, and I just love like putting them on my Bagoo like bag strap. I think it's the perfect little accessory to just make it feel even more Disney, especially because I like to wear a lot of like general athletic wear in the park. These Nuimos definitely make it feel a little more Disney. I will say I do think I'm gonna get another one on this next trip because they're just so fun and cute. So comment down below which Nuimo you think I should get. I'm leaning towards Mickey, just like classic, but let me know what you think. Next accessory, I did get another pair of ears for this trip. I've just been really liking like neutral, very simple Mickey mini ears, whatever you want to call them, because I just think they go with a lot, and I like to have ears that I can use for all the trips that I take in the future. So I got these very classic like mini polka dot bow ears. I know they're sold in the parks still, I'm sure, because they're very classic and original. The only difference, they change the bow sometimes to look a little different or be a different material. But I got these on eBay. eBay is a great resource to find ears. I got these way cheaper than I would have gotten them in the parks. They came with the tags and everything. So I call that a win, and I'm very excited to style these for my next Disney trip because they're just so simple, and I feel like they'll go with everything that I'm planning on wearing. Also, this headband feels very comfortable for some reason. I never know like exactly which Disney ears headbands are going to be the most comfortable on me because I feel like it just really varies based on the type of ears, but these feel super comfortable, and I will be keeping them on for the rest of the video now. So these are my new ears. Moving on to clothes now. I really do like to buy a shirt or something in the parks to kind of commemorate the trip and just wear while I'm there. I think that's super fun. So I don't tend to buy a lot of shirts before my trips just because I do have a pretty large Disney shirt collection that I kind of like to choose from first. But my husband and I did each get a shirt for this trip that I wanted to show you guys because I think they are so fun. We're gonna start with my husband Bryce's shirt. Now he does not like all of the kind of new merch Disney puts out. It just doesn't really fit his style. So a lot of times what we like to do is look on eBay or like thrift for a shirt for him because a lot of the older styles Disney used to make definitely do kind of fit the vibe that he's going for. And he really wanted a shirt for Animal Kingdom. And so we found the perfect shirt. I love this shirt so much. So the front just says Animal Kingdom on it, but the back is where the party is. Look at this. This is incredible. That is just so stunning, and this is an older Disney shirt for sure. I can tell by the tag. It is in pristine condition. Like, it looks so great. I love the color. I love the bright pattern. I think I'm gonna be stealing this shirt for our trip. I don't know. He's gonna wear it to Animal Kingdom, but probably on a future trip you will see me in this shirt because it is so cute. I love the color. I love just like how nice of a shirt it is. And like I said, we got it from eBay, which is just like a great place for us to get our Disney shirts. We absolutely love going there. So that's his shirt, which will also become my shirt one day. We'll share it because it's just so cute. I love it. And moving on to the shirt I got for myself. This is a shirt that's not an older shirt, but I did get it from eBay. It is something that I regretted not buying when I saw it in the parks recently on I think it was a couple trips ago, or maybe the last trip, I can't remember. It is this Walt Disney World fireworks shirt. I already have the vision how to style this shirt. It's gonna be like our last night at Magic Kingdom. Maybe these ears, some biker shorts, wearing all black because we're sad that we're leaving. But I absolutely love this shirt. Again, I got it from eBay. It came with the tags on it. Got it for a way better price than I would have gotten it in the parks, so I'm very happy with this. I did have to size up to an extra large, but these Disney shirts do shrink. So I think when I wash it, it's going to shrink down a little bit, and then I think it'll fit perfect. So very excited about these shirts. Moving on to some shorts that I got. Now these aren't technically Disney specific items, but these are items that I picked up planning to wear to Disney. And the first pair, I finally caved and got a pair of boxer shorts because they just look so cute when everyone styles them. And I just got this red and white pair from Amazon. I have been wearing these outside the parks like nonstop. I think they're so comfy and cozy and cute. I did size up to a size large just so that it would be a super baggy fit, and they're perfect. I cannot wait to style them in a Disney outfit. Speaking of that, I am going to be doing a like Disney outfit planning video. I think that's going to be the next video, so stay tuned to see how I style these. But absolutely love them. I probably will get another color just like for daily wear because they're great. And then the last pair of shorts I wasn't even going to put in this video because it was not bought for Disney. It was just like a general purchase. These are the best athletic shorts I have ever worn in my life, and I had to share them with you guys. They are the Aloe Match Point shorts. I had heard a lot about these shorts, about how comfortable they were and just how cute they were, and I was like, does it really meet the hype? They do. They are great. They are so comfortable, so soft. I compare them with anything. I can run in them, walk in them, go to the store in them. They are the best athletic shorts. I love Lululemon shorts. These are better, honestly. I did get a size medium and they are a little baggy. The girl, when I was trying them on, told me that the sizes do run a little big. So I think this is just, I can't even tell you guys enough how much I love these shorts. They are sold out a lot because they are very, very popular, but I really want to pick up another color before the trip because I love them so much and I wear them all the time and I can't wait to wear them in Disney. And then for the last thing that I picked up, I got a new pair of shoes for Disney. These are the On Cloud, I think they're the Cloud Runners, yes. And I love wearing Hokas in the park. They're probably my favorite shoes to wear. However, all the pairs I have are like really, really bright colors, and this might seem a little picky, but they don't really go that well with outfits that I was planning. And I really just wanted a pair of neutral shoes in general, so I got these gray and white pair. As you can see, they're already a little bit broken in because that is my biggest tip. Let me throw these on the ground. If you're gonna be getting shoes for Disney, you need to make sure that you're getting them a couple weeks before to really break them in because you're gonna be walking a ton, and if it's your first time walking in them, you're gonna get blisters, they're gonna be uncomfortable. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna get some new shoes, get them before, break them in, make sure they're comfortable because I mean, we walk like 20,000, 25,000 steps a day at Disney, and I had to make sure those met the Disney standards for walking. That is everything I got for this trip, my little pre-trip haul. I cannot believe that this trip is almost here. I think seeing all this stuff together has made me so excited and just like ready to start outfit planning and packing, and oh my gosh, travel day is so soon. So like I said, be sure to subscribe down below because there are so many Disney videos coming, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy seeing all my family together. We are a really good time together, and we actually just kind of had a little meetup to finalize our plans, and oh, it's gonna be so much fun. I also just want to say thank you guys so much for watching these videos, watching our vlogs. We get even more excited for our Disney World trips now because we know we're gonna get to share these vlogs with you guys, and I love taking these trips with my family, but I also love sharing them with you and helping you plan your trips and get excited for your trips. It makes me so happy and brings me so much joy. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my pre-trip haul. Hopefully you saw some things that maybe you want to pick up for your next Disney trip, and I will see you guys in the next one, a Disney World outfit planning video, and I can't wait. Bye!